Dave, we'll just see. Let's just see one, okay? Okay, we've got to find dy dx first of all, so we need to differentiate this term by term. Differentiate y cubed, it's 3y squared, but you've got to write the dy dx down because it had y's in it. Here, I'd treat this as a product. I'll treat the 3x as a u, and that bit as a v. So this bit will be v du dx plus u dv dx. Then you've got to differentiate the 2x cubed, which is 6x squared. And on the other side, the 9 differentiates to be 0. Now what I would do, I would take dy dx out as a factor first, because you want dy dx written down just once. So we've got dy dx times by 3y squared there, and 3x over here. What I haven't yet written down is a 3y and a 6x squared, and that still equals 0. So now, to get the dy dx on its own, if I shift this to the other side of the equal sign, that will become negative over there. And then I divide this, I will get an expression for dy dx. So I'm interested in the gradient at the point 2 minus 1. Well, the gradient of the tangent will be those points substituted into here. So there'll be minus 3 times by y minus 6 lots of x squared over 3 lots of y squared plus 3 lots of x. So that will be 3, take away 24, over 3 plus 6. So I'm getting there minus 21 over 9. So the gradient of the normal will be minus 1 over that. So it will be 9 over 21. So I'm going to think of a straight line equation, y equals mx plus c. I know now the gradient I need is 9/21 x. I've got the coordinate 2 minus 1. So if I substitute those values in, I get y equals 9 over 21 x plus c. Minus 1 is 18/21, whatever you want to call it, plus c. Take the 18/21 over to the other side. I've got here minus 21 over 21 minus 18 over 21 is c, and that should take us to minus 39 over 21. So, put that all together. We already had the gradient was 9 over 21x. Put the c in, we get y is 9 over 21x minus 39 over 21. Multiply it through by 21. 21y equals 9x minus 39. Or in the book they may have 9x minus 21y minus 39 equals 0. So there we go, that's the final answer for that bit. Finally, when you've got the answer, you can just divide everything through by 3 and get 3x minus 7y minus 13 equals 0. And that's the final answer.